Go! Come on! All right, stove set. I'm gonna get my bedding in here, and then we'll go get some wood, get this baby rip roaring. All right, I brought the Katana Boy 650 with me again. I can't get enough of this. It just makes cutting so easy. It's a blast to use. So we're gonna rip into this dead standing. Should give us enough firewood for the night. It's pretty decent size. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that and get to cutting. Timber. Go get it. Nice thing is having a sled is multi-purpose. Drop your gear and then start using it to haul wood. You are such a thieving puppy. Here, grab this one. I have to keep throwing sticks every minute so he's out of the danger zone for cutting. That was a lot of wood. I think I cut a bit too much, but now it's just down to doing some kindling, and we'll have plenty for this fire. The nice thing is, as you can see, this wood is super dry, very dead. So it makes splitting extremely easy. And it helps to have a good sharp axe. That'll bring Falcor. He can hear this thing, and he loves it. Anything with air, he goes crazy. Whew, all right. I'm set for wood. I've got all my stacks on either side. Got my kindling all set beneath this. It's ready to go for tonight and in the morning. Falcor's stealing as much as he can. It's getting a little chilly. Gonna get this fired up. I'm soaking wet from sweat, so. Come on. You just gotta be the center, huh? Good boy. Oh, you think that's for you, huh? Is that your cot? You see what I'm dealing with? You have your own. I brought you a bed. This is not your bed. I need to blow this up. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Alright, I got Falcor's bed and his blanket. Falcor! Come! Come on! Get up there! Good boy! Sit. Good boy. What do we got? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Have you been good? Yeah, back on your bed. On your mat. On your mat. Brand new. Look at him. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Well, pretty well set here, I gotta say. With the cot up and this pad, this is pretty cozy. The heat is doing phenomenal, especially being up elevated like this. I'm really quite warm. I've got both windows open here, and then there's a vent down at the bottom by the stove that is also open. So I even have the door open right behind the camera. So pretty comfortable. I'm hardly burning any wood so far. This stove is very, very efficient. My other little foldable stove cooks through stuff so fast. The higher volume on this, I can throw in bigger pieces. And the way the dampener's set, it's just really easy to regulate. So pretty nice. I'm going to set up this little table and start to get dinner prepped. Falcor's enjoying his bone, and I just said dinner, so as you can see, there we go. The toy's too much good. He's still eyeballing me though. That'll be perfect for dinner. I'm gonna get that prepped now. All right, it's time to eat. I am incredibly warm. I've got long johns on, but I should have brought shorts. I've got these pulled up. It is, what's the thermometer? Thermometer says it is 27 degrees outside, 76 degrees inside. See if that comes out. Maybe. There we go. So, and I have the thermometer. I think you can see where I'm putting it here. I just have it tucked about the same level I am, kind of up here against the wall. I ended up taking the window out of this. I have this completely open. It just was too warm. So I have that open. I have this window vented with plastic still in, and I have the door open behind the camera right there. So I've got some cool air coming in now. It's really quite comfortable. Like I said, just a little bit too warm. And I have burned through hardly any wood. This stove is so incredibly efficient. I cut way too much. So I'm just used to the other stoves burning it up so fast, but very impressed with RBM's stove. However, they did that heat loop with the pipe being up front. It just works phenomenally. Like I said, it's very, very efficient. So I'm comfortable. Got the cot. Falcor's stealing the cot. He's over here racked out. I'm going to give him some dinner, so he'll probably perk up here in a second. So got a sweet potato. I'm just going to throw that. It's already wrapped up. Tinfoil, I'm just going to throw that on top of the stove there. And then we'll do some brats and onions. And see if we can't make some dinner. Oh, sure, now he perks up. Oh, hey. I smell something good, huh? I'm going to fry up some onions here as well with these brats. All right, there we go. And I forgot to bring a fork, so we will substitute. All right, dinner's finally ready. I'm just gonna say a quick prayer and start to chow down on this. All right. Here's my makeshift utensils. Pretty stinking good. Onions, brat, sweet potato with some coconut oil and salt. Got the fire toasty next to me. Can hear the creek outside running pretty hard. I'm actually, well, you saw the setup. I am right on the edge. I don't know if the pictures justify or show how close I am, but pretty close to the overhang of the snowdrop, so I actually had to knock some of it down to find where the edge was. But it's worth it. With just a hint of pine. I got to say, by far, this is my most comfortable hot tent adventure. The way this thing is set up, I'll show you around here in a second, but there's little add-ons with zips and pouches all over the place. A basket up above where I can hang stuff to dry, and plenty of room. Although if I would have brought a fork, that probably would have helped. Falcor's back up on my bed because he's a thief and he doesn't appreciate his bed that I brought in for him. Anyways, I'll give you a little tour here, show you what it looks like from the inside. So here's my cot that I'm on, and Falcor is taking up the entire end. Wood pile, stove, little table, boots drying. There's the door that I have open. Here's this little side window. I took the plastic out of it as well. It is open. Little basket with storage up top. I've got a bunch of stuff drying, and it is very dry now. There's the other window, and wanted to show you these guys, these little baskets that are integrated all along the walls. And then also they give you these, which just Velcro to the wall, but each of them have a zip clear area and then more pouches and then a concealed pocket. So you can see more of those. The pockets, I've got my journal, got a book. Oh, what am I reading? Prepared by Mike Glover. Check it out. Water, knife, salt, some camera equipment, and some more of those pouches. And like I said, these can come on or off. They just Velcro off. And there's a little Velcro spot there against the wall. So pretty handy. Tons of storage. I like it. This tent is awesome. There's a little glass wall on the side. The dampener is very easy to use. Just twist there. Got a nice big handle here to pop open. Cool. Even when I open that up, it's pumping out heat. Apparently Falcor is just going to sleep on my bed. Maybe I should sleep on his and see how much he likes it. I'll probably read for a little bit, just watch the fire and lounge. Alright, time to hit the hay. Did a little bit of reading. It is just past 1 a.m. Fire's still going nicely. I've got both windows open and the door propped open just at the top, and then I've got just the bug screens on both of these windows. So just a little temperature regulation. Pretty beat. Temperature is back here, furthest point away from the stove, basically 67.8 and 25 even Fahrenheit outside. So very comfortable. I'm still burning through hardly any wood at all. So stove is doing wonderful. Falcor's groaning because he wants me to be quiet and go to bed. So unless anything crazy happens, we will see you guys for a beautiful sunrise over the creek in the morning. Alright, good morning guys. Been up for a bit, just kind of lounging, enjoying the fire. It has been so incredibly comfortable. I actually slept last night. I almost never sleep on these trips. Usually just up feeding the fire all night. I'm gonna go grab some snow and melt it down for coffee, get breakfast started. I've got the creek right there I could get water from. I just prefer to use snow because I don't have to worry about a bunch of bacteria. I can just let it melt and I'm good to go. Here's my morning view out of one of my windows. Fuckboard is not pleased. And out the other window. Sun is just starting to pop right there. Is it almost breakfast time? Oh, hello. You pretty hungry? You want some breakfast? Good boy. Good boy. Coffee is so good in the mountains. Coffee's good anytime. What do you guys drink, tea or coffee? Put it in the comments below. Let the battle begin. All right, here's my front door coffee view. Pretty awesome. Whoa. About to lose them. Put that on for just a minute. Amen. That's good. I burned a lot of energy cutting all that wood yesterday. I have so much left. It's ridiculous. I had no idea. I know I keep mentioning it, but I'm just insanely impressed with this stove. Yeah, it's heavy. It's like 44 pounds, but like I said, I pulled in with a sled, 2 loads with a sled for all my gear. If you're camping near the vehicle, or you got a 4-wheeler, snowmobile, or you pull a polk sled like I do, this is a very good option. The way this tent is set up, all the features, extremely comfortable. I mean, yeah, if you've seen my other videos, how much wood I cut, it's just about the same. And I have so much left. It really is efficient, so well done, RBM. It's a good stove. All right, guys, I am full of bacon, eggy burrito goodness. Finding this creek, the heavy flow from the runoff is just beautiful. Made for a rhythmic night, just between the fire and the creek. So pretty relaxing. The tent and stove did awesome. Falcor had fun. But yeah, give you one last look around here. Down there drinking some water. Beautiful spot for sure. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around with me on this outing. This was a fun one. So until next time, get out and have an adventure.